If your product disappeared tomorrow, would anyone actually miss it?
Oof, that hurts already. But honestly, most brands think they're valuable until customers just vanish.
Exactly. That uncomfortable gap between what brands claim and what customers care about, that's where value proposition lives. Let's ground this properly. Philip Kotler defines value as perceived benefits minus costs.
Oh, so value isn't emotional fluff, it's math.
Exactly. According to Kotler and Keller, marketing management, a value proposition clearly explains who it's for, what problem it solves, why it's better than alternatives.
So basically, why should I care and why should I choose you?
Let's stack definitions. No opinions, just authority. Kotler and Keller. A value proposition communicates superior customer value.
Okay, superior, not just different.
Osterwalder, value proposition design. It's the fit between customers' jobs, pains, and gains.
Ah, so it's about their life, not your product.
Michael Porter says value exists only when benefits exceed cost relative to competitors.
So no comparison, no value, just vibes.
Exactly. So if everyone claims quality, service, and innovation, then nobody really has a value proposition.
Now you're thinking like a strategist.
A real value proposition answers 3 ruthless questions. Why should the customer buy now? Why should they buy from you? Why should they switch from what they already trust?
That last one feels scary. Switching isn't logical, it's emotional.
Exactly. That's why strong value propositions reduce risk, effort, or uncertainty.
Let's test this with real brands.
Apple doesn't sell phones. They sell simplicity and ecosystem comfort.
Wow, that explains why specs don't win debates.
FedEx, when absolutely positively has to be there overnight.
That's trust, not delivery.
Netflix doesn't sell content. They sell convenience and decision relief.
So they save us from scrolling pain.
Exactly.
So weak brands don't fail because of bad products. They fail because customers can't explain why they exist.
And confused customers don't convert.
Here's the chain, simple and brutal.
Marketing grabs attention. Value proposition converts attention into trust. Trust converts into sales.
So ads without value propositions are just expensive noise.
Exactly. Kotler is very clear. Marketing strategy starts with value creation, not promotion.
A strong value proposition must be
Clear, relevant, distinct, provable.
which means data beats drama, proof beats poetry.
Always.
If I can't explain a brand's value in one sentence, the market won't remember it in 1 second.
Exactly. A value proposition isn't what you say. It's what customers repeat when you're not in the room.
Wow, that's real marketing.
And that's why value proposition isn't a slogan. It's your reason to survive.